Have you ever dreamed of stepping back in time while still creating a future that's completely your own? Welcome to a true piece of Alabama history. This is the 1930 Schilleci home, a stately brick manor built by the Schilleci family, who were once the proud operators of the iconic Superior ice cream factory right here in Bessemer. From the moment you walk up, you can feel the character and presence of this home. With its solid brick construction, timeless architecture, and over 3 full stories of living space, this residence is more than just a house. It's a story, a legacy, and an opportunity waiting for the right owner to bring it to life again. Step inside, and the details immediately catch your eye. High ceilings soar overhead, filling each room with a sense of space and grandeur. Beautiful stained glass windows cast colorful light across the rooms, while custom built-ins and original period touches remind you of the craftsmanship that simply doesn't exist today. This home offers 6 spacious bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, making it ideal for a large family, a multi-generational household, or even a creative investor with a vision for bed and breakfast potential. Every corner of this home feels unique, each space whispering stories from the past while offering endless opportunities for the future. Picture yourself gathering in the grand living room where old-world charm meets modern potential. Imagine a gourmet kitchen renovation blending sleek modern appliances with vintage character. Upstairs, the oversized bedrooms and bathrooms provide flexibility, perfect for guest suites, home offices, or quiet retreats. And with more than 3 full stories, there's no shortage of room to spread out, entertain, and design this space exactly how you've always dreamed. Whether you're preserving its historic character or modernizing it with bold updates, the foundation is already here. It's solid, it's lasting, and it's rare. Outside, the home's stately presence makes it a standout in Bessemer's architectural landscape. This is more than real estate. It's a chance to own a piece of history, a place where the past meets the possibilities of tomorrow. So if you've been searching for something extraordinary, something with character, craftsmanship, and endless potential, this could be the one. Don't miss your chance to own the historic Schilleci home of 1930 and carry its story into the next chapter.